So, hello English learners, hope you all are fine, and today we are going to learn about the 10th chapter of this book, Mass Spoken English book, about the let. Okay, so this is a very important word which you can say about the let, which we are going to learn about everything about the let. What is the definition of the let and how we are going to use let, and what is the structure of let, using let. So first let's discuss about the definition. So jab if we have to say like to someone, किसी को जाने दो, ठीक है, होने दो या कोई काम करने दो. If we have to say like जाने दो, करने दो, होने दो, कोई काम होने दो, so we use let. Okay, we use let and also objective pronoun. Okay, for example, मुझे जाने दो, let me go, मुझे जाने दो. So I use let, first let, and मुझे, let me, I use objective pronoun, then verb की first form. Let me go, मुझे जाने दो, let me go, उसे टीवी देखने दो, let him watch TV, let him watch TV, उसे टीवी देखने दो. So if you have to say like कोई काम होने दो या करने दो, so we have to use let and objective pronoun, not subjective pronoun. We will discuss about the objective pronoun and subjective pronoun, and I hope you understand like what is the definition and what is the example of using let. इसके अलावा लेट का यूज हम एक और तरीके से तीनों टेंस में भी करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टू परमिट, जब हमें किसी कार्य को करने के लिए परमिशन देना हो तो भी हम लेट का यूज करते हैं. जैसे मैं उसे अंग्रेजी बोलने देता हूं, आई लेट हिम स्पीक इंग्लिश. मैं उसे इंग्लिश बोलने देता हूं, आई लेट हिम स्पीक इंग्लिश. मैं उसे अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलने देता, आई डोंट लेट हिम स्पीक इंग्लिश. मैं उसे जाने दिया, मैंने उसे जाने दिया, आई लेट हिम गो, आई लेट हिम गो. मैंने उसे नहीं जाने दिया, आई डिड नॉट लेट हिम गो, आई डिड नॉट लेट हिम गो. मैं उसे जाने दूंगा, आई विल लेट हिम गो, मैं उसे जाने दूंगा. मैं उसे नहीं जाने दूंगा, आई विल नॉट लेट हिम गो, आई विल नॉट लेट हिम गो, मैं उसे नहीं जाने दूंगा. ठीक है. सो लेट के बाद हमेशा we always use objective pronoun after let. If you are going to use let him go. Okay, so what is objective pronoun and what is subjective pronoun? So for example, I, this is a subjective pronoun, this is a subject like I, man. So if you are going to make the objective pronoun, it will become me. Okay, I, me. We become us. We subjective pronoun, it will become us. You become you, you will not change. Okay, so you subjective pronoun and you objective pronoun. They subjective pronoun, they will become them, and he will become him. He subjective pronoun, him objective pronoun, and she will become how, she will become how, it will become it. So it and you, they are not going to change in objective pronoun. Okay, so I become me, you, we, us, you, they, them, he, him, she, her, it. Okay, so now I hope you understand what is the subjective pronoun and what is the objective pronoun. Subjective pronoun, it means if we are going to use any pronoun, it will be a subject. Like I am a student, I beaten him. Okay, so I is always subject, but if we are going to use the let, we have to make the I objective pronoun. For example, मुझे खाने दो, let me, let I use let and I become me. Okay, let me eat, मुझे खाने दो. मुझे खेलने दो, let me play, I become me, objective pronoun, let me play, मुझे खेलने दो. उसे कपड़े धोने दे, let him wash clothes, let her, उसे कपड़े धोने दो, इट मीन्स शी. लेट हर वॉश क्लोथ्स, उसे जाने दो. लेट हिम गो, उसे जाने दो. एंड मुझे अपनी अपनी सफाई पेश करने दो. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन माई सेल्फ. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन माई सेल्फ, मुझे सफाई पेश करने दो. सो लाइक दिस वी कैन मेक लॉट्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. देयर आर 15 sentences. And if suppose you you have to make the negative sentences using let, so how we are going to make the negative sentences? Negative sentences जब हमें let के साथ negative बनाना हो, so we are going to use don't. Okay, don't plus let plus objective pronoun plus verb की first form then object. Like उसे घर साफ मत करने दो. Don't let him clean the house. Don't let him clean the home. उसे मोबाइल मत खरीदने दो. Don't let him purchase मोबाइल और बाई मोबाइल. उसे बात मत करने दो. Don't let him talk. उसे बात मत करने दो. उसे खाना मत खाने दो. Don't let him cook food. उसे खाना मत खाने दो. उन्हें भागने मत दो. Don't let them run. उन्हें भागने मत दो. So like this there are 15 sentences and we have the practice sheet also which you can do. Like मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. मुझे जाने दो. उसे पढ़ने दो. Let him read. उसे पढ़ने दो. मम्मी को खाना बनाने दो. Let मम्मी make food. मम्मी को खाना बना दे दो. So like this we can practice. There are 60 sentences which we can practice. Let mother cook food. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to read or learn about the lets. Okay, so we completed about the let and tomorrow we are going to learn about the lets. Okay, so thanks for today and we will meet tomorrow. Thank you.